Enjoy this salad at home on Taco Tuesday or any night of the week. This Beef It's What's for Dinner recipe is certified by the American Heart Association. Heat a large nonstick skillet over medium heat until hot. Add 1 pound 96% lean ground beef and cook 8 to 10 minutes, breaking into 3/4 inch crumbles and stirring occasionally. Make sure ground beef is cooked to an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour off any drippings. Stir in 2/3 cup salsa and cook for 2 minutes. Line 4 plates or bowls with salad greens. Divide the beef mixture evenly among the 4 dishes. Top the beef with low-fat cheese, chopped tomatoes, diced peppers, and thinly sliced onion. Feel free to garnish with olives and dressing if desired. For this recipe and other delicious beef recipes, visit beefitswhatsfordinner.com.